Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. Welcome to the Luck Shift, where lifestyles is at ease. Before we begin, we would like to give thanks to our advisor, Madam Siti Nazirah Omar, our college and group members for the guidance given to us on completing this task. Introducing on our Kelana of the company led by our CEO, Mr. Danial bin Abd Rashid, our head of writer led by Ms. Nurul Atika, our head of production led by Ms. Hasnina Geo, and our head of designer led by Ms. Alya Syafiqa. The company will name the Luxury video tagline Lifestyles at Ease. It's a product innovation company that invent and innovate the laptop desk multifunction into a new level in 2020. Our mission is to provide a total solution for laptop user and a friendly product. Our vision for the company is to provide long-term and quality product to the market. Next, these are 9 important elements need to produce the product. Consists of customer segment, value propositions, channels, customers relationship, revenue stream, key resources, key activities, key partners, and cost structure. Before we moving on, these are some functions of the product laptop desk multifunction can be used. Firstly, our customer segment we focus on work from home user and students because these are our customer prospect who use laptop in their daily life. Next, our company offer value of proposition to our customers that function as a laptop stand, space for jot down notes, adjustable feet, can fit the book storage space, adjustable laptop pad, snack space, easy to carry, cat rest space, and stylish. Our product channel are social media and online shopping platform. We will use our official social account like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Shopee, and Lazada to promote our product to the market. In order to maintain the customer relationship, our company will provide a long-term product that portrays the company personal branding. Free gift item also will be provided to customer and email subscription to ensure our customer receive our latest news and product launch. Thus, the company will ensure our revenue stream will achieve from the production, sale, and monthly subscription from the user. Concerning to produce the product, the company will need designer, the materials, and worker as a key resources to produce the product. Once the product is produced, we offer our key activities by selling online, improving the product quality, and produce limited numbers of the production to make it limited in the market. Moreover, the key of success toward our product is ensure our key partners for the company that is a work from home user and also our wood supplier. Lastly, our cost structure included warehouse rental, employee wages, logistic costs, product copyright, equipment, and marketing tools. We can be reached through our main social media account on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and WhatsApp. The product also available on Shopee and Lazada. Contact us for further information. That's all from us. Thank you for lending your ears throughout the presentation. Before we leave, this is our product official video. Enjoy!